This is the quick, all you need to know review of these laundry bags for shoe washing. I like my trainers super clean, so I usually throw them in the washer. The bags I've had before to put them in have been very thin and not doing a great job. So I was looking for something that was a little thicker and made for shoes. I came across this 4-pack on Amazon and I got it. The material is definitely thicker than other laundry bags that I have used before. It really softens the slamming sound when you wash your shoes in the washer. The material is a little bit stretchy, so you can definitely use it for different size shoes. These are a size 7 women's shoes, but they can definitely be used for larger shoes too. I really like the zipper and that the design is flat in the bottom. The material feels high quality, and the material dries very easily after use. I have also used it to pack shoes when I travel, and it works really well in the bag as well. Overall, I think this is a great product that I can recommend, and you can definitely buy this with confidence.